Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Renee. So the video that I'm going to be doing today is going to be our clay unboxing, which is right here. So I just went ahead and opened the bottom of it, but I've not looked in here or anything like that. This is a box that you can get. It's from Sephora. It's $10.60 a month. You get some travel size samples in here, which is really good because I like to try sometimes using this, like the smaller sizes before I go in and invest in the big sizes of the makeup. So in the open box, it does look like this. You do get a pamphlet, and you also get 50 play pots that you can use. Now this it tells you exactly what we got in the box this month. So we did get the Marc Jacobs Beauty Leading Lashes. We also got the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, the Deva Curl Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler, the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and Tripper, the Sephora Collection Mud Mask, Purifying and Mattifying, and then we also got the bonus, which you usually get a bonus in here, and it's usually like a perfume, is the Flawless Florals Chloe Nomina. Yeah, I can't pronounce it, so we'll just go ahead and get into the box. So this is the bag that you do get. You do get a bag with it every single month. This one simply says Play by Sephora, so you know, no little thing. And then it's got like this cords that you can open and close. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So the first thing we did get is the Sephora mask, which this is good for purifying and mattifying. It is let me smell. This is what it looks like. So this is a lid. This is the mask itself. Yeah, so it is a dark bag. Now this is the, it says White's Classic. It has zinc and copper in it. It says that its highly effective mask uses minerals and mud to absorb excess sebum, S-E-B-U-M, I'm not sure how to say that, which reduces the appearance of blemishes without over-drying. It leaves skin soft, matte, and ultra clean. Plus, watching it change colors is so satisfying. I didn't know it changed colors, so apparently this changes colors. That's going to be neat because I will be using this tonight. It says apply an even layer over clean dry skin, let it dry, it'll change colors once it's rinsed, ready to be rinsed off. We may just have to film that and see how that works. Okay. The next thing that we got, this is the perfume. This is the one I could not pronounce. This says that it is a luxury fashion founded in Paris over 60 years ago. The brand was created with 3 principles in mind: freedom, lightness, and femininity. These elements are especially evident in their unique and addictive fragrances. Now it says meet the blend. The family is the floral. The top notes are oakmoss. The middle note is freesia, and then marabelle liqueur is the base. There's that mask. It does change color. Okay. It's very small. Where'd it go? You know. Oh my god. That smells amazing. Okay. That smells really good. The next one that we got is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in the color Noir, which is 10. This is supposed to have mega volume, ultra length, and super concentrated pigment for lashes are almost too good to be true. No, I don't have that on. I do have false lashes on today. Let's take a look at this. So Thirst Brush, as you can see, it is very messy. Does not have a smell, which is really good. I'll be using that one. And the next thing that we got is the, yes, I've always wanted to try this, but even the sample size was too expensive for me, and I'm like, eh. So this is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. It's a silky, oil-free primer that reduces the look of redness, pores, and lines. And it does say that it is a pea-sized amount all over your face, concentrating on your T-zone and nose before concealer, foundation, or powder. It does say that you can throw this in your purse and apply it over makeup for touch-ups throughout the day. Okay, so you get, does it say? It's 0.12 fluid ounces. This is a sample size too, apparently. So oh. So I thought it was like a pump, but apparently it's not. So when you open it, it has a lid that you have to twist and turn. That's what it looks like. It's just right here. Ooh, it's very silky feeling. It's very, very silky feeling. I'm going to try that one. And the next thing that we got is, ooh, the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now, I've already got this, like in the big size, because I really like it. Let's see. Yep. Okay, let me see if I can get this plastic off. It's a waterproof eyeliner. It's in the color Trooper. With hers, it is vegan, so this will last for 6 months. You have to shake it. Here it's got. Okay. Hush. So this is what this is what it looks like. So it's just like a velvet tip pencil. I'll show you. It's very, and it will not black. Okay, so that's what it looks like right here. It's very, very black, and it will dry down, and it will not budge. I have learned that if you use ones like these, to store it with the cap down. So this is the cap right here. Store it down, because I usually store mine like this. But if you don't want it to dry out quicker, store it like this, and it will last a lot longer. And then the last thing that we received, this is actually over a fluid ounce, is a Diva Curl It's That Good Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler. This is what it looks like. I've never heard of this brand. So the pamphlet does say that this is a versatile styling cream that smooths, defines, and conditions curls. It is, it says that it's nourishing super styler, does all the things. It's coconut infused formula, moisturizes strands, eliminates frizz, and prevents breakage while adding major shine and softness. And it says how to use, because I've never actually used anything like this, is to stretch and add length, smooth cream over damp strands in a downward motion to create a toweled texture. To create toweled texture, you apply throughout damp hair and let it air dry. It is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, and it's okay. Oh, I just got that all over my face. Oh, real good. That's nice. Really, really nice. You can definitely smell the coconut in it. You can definitely smell the coconut. So, I will give all of this a try, and I have a feeling that this is going to be a really, really good perfume. I actually may have to purchase the full size, and I actually hate to see how much that's going to be, because it does not sound cheap and it does not smell cheap. It's we will see. So that's all that we got in our box this month. Let me know what you all got or anything like that. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all shortly in my next video. Bye.